Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Align Master tempered glass screen protector for Samsung Galaxy M32 5G. So as you can see here my friends, we get it in 2-pack version, and one is to install now and one is for a different time if you damage your display. So why wait my friends, let's open this up and check it out what we get inside the box. So I'll try to make this tempered glass installation video as quick as possible, but let me tell you my friends, my tempered glass videos does take a bit time, but keep patience for a good outcome. So inside the box we get the squeezy to squeeze out air bubbles. This is the Align Master kit, and this is some cleaning wipes and stickers to dust remove stickers, and inside here are the 2 tempered glasses. So as you can see here, these are the 2 tempered glasses. So why wait my friends, let's start the installation process and I'll show you how to do it. At first we have to clean this area totally. So my friends, you need to be very careful to clean the whole desk properly and wash your hands for a very perfect finish, because if you don't wash your hands you will get all your fingerprints under your tempered glass. So here is our phone, as you can see here, and in my previous video you have seen the unboxing of this product, and now we will go to install the product, the screen protector. So let's open this up. Inside here, okay, we get 2 squeezy. So we will use one of the lens cleaner, and we will keep one inside the box again. So let's see what's here. So as you can see here, this is the how to do the squeezy, and this is the sticker, dust removal sticker, and there is one cloth here. Okay, so let's take out one and clean this display properly. So as you can see here, after I gave a good cleaning alcohol cleaning wipe, so I'm using the clean cloth to remove the extra alcohol or any of the dust particles from the display. So after it is done, I'm keeping this aside. Now we will use this dust removal sticker to remove any of the dust particles from the display. So it is the normal procedure, as you can see here my friends. So I always do it. I think I have done a lot of tempered glass installations. So we have done the dust removal sticker one swipe, and now I will check the phone for any dust particles. So I can see there is no dust particles on top of here. Do remember to turn off the fan or anything that is running here. Now you drop this kit on this top of this phone, as you can see here, and if you see any dust particles here, you can go for another wipe with the dust removal sticker for a perfect installation. I would say to go for another dust removal sticker wipe. So let me do it properly, my friends. Because any of the dust particles remains, then it will go under the display, and your clarity will be dropped down. Yes, that happens, and since it is also a TFT display, I would suggest to be very careful about it, because you don't want any kind of obstacles between your vision of your any content and the display. So now we can see that it is totally clean now. Now we will take out one of the tempered glass out of this secured, cleaned place, and do remember to keep it in this way, because if you remove the tempered glass out, so it might get the dust or something. So I'm giving another check on the phone before installing the tempered glass. So now you remove this, and as always I have told you, my friends, you have to remove this facing downwards. Okay, so be very careful about it. Okay, now place it very carefully here. Okay, and slowly drop it. After it is dropped, you can check whether it is correctly fixed or not. Just press it and it is automatically taking. Just press it and slide it in this way. So as you can see, this is getting automatically added. The adhesive is taking up all the things. Now you just need to remove this easy fit kit out and use this squeezy and squeeze out any of the remaining air bubbles or anything on the display. So always remember to do it from the middle to outside, and it should take abuse 1 to 2 swipes. And sometimes what happens, if the product is very old or your particular tempered glass is a bit of old stocks, then in that cases you might see a lot of bubbles going here and there, and it takes a bit time. Some bubbles goes out after a few days of uses, but if you are facing a lot of bubbles, then I would ask you to get a replacement from Spigen, and they are very eager to keep their brand name happy customers, so they will be providing with you good replacement. So as you can see, I am getting it done, and on the top also we have to do the same thing. Okay, finally I am using my nails to do it instead of the squeezy. So this happens a lot of time, but it's done. So now we will remove this please slide stick out. Okay, and now we will check out some other places if I have done any mistakes. So there is one dust particle here. As you can see, this bubble is not going out. So how to remove this, let me show you. In this case, what you will do, you have a dust removal sticker here. This is a glider, as I say. You just need to stick it inside here very carefully and remove the dust out of here. So do it in a very careful way, because you might get other dust particles around it go under the display. So you need to be very careful about it, and just slide it in and take out the dust out. So I haven't got it inside yet. Okay, so now we have got it out. So as you can see here, I did it very carefully and I got the dust particle out. Now there is no dust particle here. Let me open a plain white page. Yes, you can see there is no dust particles here. So this is the perfect finish of the Spigen tempered glasses. So that's why I trust Spigen a lot. I would suggest you to buy this and use it. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe. Bye bye.